This is the Zoom SSH-6. It's a mid-side stereo shotgun capsule, ideal for film, video, and television projects. It features a highly directional mid-mic for dialogue recording and a bidirectional side mic for capturing ambient sounds. It also includes a hairy windscreen to reduce wind noise when recording outdoors. The package includes the operation manual and the warranty registration card. The windscreen can be used to reduce wind noise when recording outdoors. The SSH-6 easily connects to compatible Zoom devices such as the H5, H6, or F1.